Sorry I'm late. I was sitting here playing on my phone. And I was like, it's about time to live stream, isn't it? I looked over at the clock and I was like, oh, crap. Yeah, I need to get on that. All right. So, got a couple stragglers. This is a short one. Yeah. I think I'm going to post a few circuit, just me working a circuit from start to finish. Probably tomorrow, in between classes, like in between live streams, I will post some videos. Y'all can come back to my YouTube channel and watch it. Subscribe for that content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. I'll send you a notification. Yeah. So just tomorrow, maybe the next day, because DC theory is a lot bigger subject than I can cover through these quizzes. I don't normally do quizzes to teach DC theory. So I will probably, in my spare time, keep doing some videos above and beyond what I've done today. Just to show you a circuit, show you a few more circuits, get you really understanding some DC theory stuff. Yeah, we will see that tomorrow, I'm sure. For now, let's get started. We're live? We're live. Got me gun shy now. I'm like, oh, did I do it? Did I do the button? Alright, always ensure the jack position. Okay, so when you're setting up a meter, there's 3 or 4 jacks at the bottom of the meter. And you have to make sure that you plugged it in the right spots. If you're going to read ampacity, you need to plug it into the black lead, always goes in the black jack. And the red lead can go either in the jack that's labeled voltage, ohms, hertz, all the other stuff that the meter might do. And then the other jack is labeled amperage, and it has a fuse rating on it. You need to pay attention to how much that fuse is rated for, and don't try to read amperage above what that fuse is rated for. In general, if you are trying to read amperage with a meter, it is better to use a clamp-on meter. But if you don't have one, read amperage by getting in series with the circuit. So the resistance of the amp meter will be very low whenever you're connected to the amperage jacks. That's because you don't want to affect the amperage by measuring it. You're going to have to a little bit, but they put it very low so that you can read that amperage and not change it. So, let me see if I can find a picture of waveform distortion. Here is a good picture of waveform distortion. So, this is what the waveform is supposed to look like on top. Some solid state drive, or solid state components, like computers, LEDs, fluorescent lights. Excuse me. Things like that will cause what they call the third harmonic, which will make it look weird like this. And that is going to cause some issues in a power system whenever there's a lot of it going on. It's something to pay attention to. We don't do a whole lot of power quality analysis around here, but some of the places with like data centers, they are very concerned with their power quality because it's better for computer systems to get clean power than to get this distorted power. Let's see. The Excuse me. The auto-ranging feature on a digital multimeter is the feature that will let it jump up or like move down, move the range of where it's reading in case so you don't have to pay attention and set it to the right thing. Sometimes it is best to turn that off and just set it to the correct range. There's a button that says auto range, or it might just say range. And you can manually set the range, and that will help you ignore a lot of the distortion that you might get in lower range readings. Because it'll basically just move the decimal to a spot where you won't see it. Jacob DeFrancis says Trinity Train Yard has a robot that they had to test the power quality. Yeah, highly sensitive electronic circuits will care about the power quality. We just don't have a lot of that happening right now around here. And it's probably going to be everywhere soon. Incandescent lights did not affect power quality at all. Fluorescents and LEDs are significantly more efficient, but there is a reason you can't share neutrals nearly as much as you could. There's a lot more rules to sharing neutrals, and that's because, and we haven't really covered this, but the neutral, like your house has two different phases. The neutral only carries the difference of those two phases. If you don't have really good power quality, it's carrying more than just the difference. It might carry, 75% of the difference, or 125% of the difference. It might carry a little bit more than the difference would be. So the life expectancy of a test instrument depends on how it was taken care of, how well it was made, how it was used. It's important to pay attention and take care of your meters. Meters aren't cheap. Read the feature list on your meter. There might be some things that you can do to use it in a better way. Get to know your meters. Know their voltage limitations. Don't just hook them up to things that you don't know the voltage of. Because you can get blown up if you have, like if you put a 600 volt meter on something that's 13,800 volts, it can explode on you. Alright. So this is false. We got you because this is supposed to be analog test instruments. That's the key here. Extra care must be provided with analog test instruments because they actually have movements like a clock inside of them that can be, knocked out of place with like a shock from droppage. Oh, we had some hundreds on this one. Nice. I'm going to put up. Oh, give me a minute to build this quiz. Merge. Call that 1. Call that 2. Merge 1, 2. And then merge. All right. Launch. There you guys go. You have your quizzes. Like I said, tomorrow, I'll post it in Discord, and you can watch it later. It's not gonna. I'm probably gonna do it in such a way that you'll probably want to watch it multiple times, and like pause and go back and forth through it. Uh, so look out for that, and I'll probably do another one for parallel circuits and combination circuits, just so I have some videos for those. Yeah. Well, this is the end of the day, guys. We made it. Hopefully, everybody got their tests. And yeah. All right. I will talk to you guys in 2 weeks. Good luck, everybody.